Hello. Are you free?
Yes, I am free. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Times Square.
Okay. Do you want the meter?
Yes. How much is it?
Around $25.
That's fine. Can you take the fast way?
Sure. Please sit down. Let's go.
Thank you. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like one fresh baguette and 2 croissants, please.
Of course. Here you are. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
It's $5, please.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye.
Good morning. Welcome to First National Bank. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to open a new bank account, please.
Of course. Do you want a checking account, a savings account, or both?
I think I need both. I want to save money, but also use a debit card for daily shopping.
That's a great choice. Can I please see your ID and proof of address?
Sure. Here's my driver's license and utility bill.
Perfect. Thank you. It will only take a few minutes. Do you also want online banking?
Yes, please. I'd like to check my balance on my phone.
No problem. I'll set that up for you. Just sign these forms and we'll get your account ready today.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. We're happy to have you with us.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please, come in and have a seat.
Thank you very much.
So, tell me a little about yourself.
My name is Sarah. I'm 23 years old. I studied business at college. I'm a hardworking person, and I like helping people.
That's nice. Why do you want to work in our company?
I like your company because it's professional and friendly. I want to learn new skills and grow here.
Great. What experience do you have?
I worked in an office for 1 year. I answered phone calls, sent emails, and helped customers.
How do you work in a team?
I like teamwork. I listen to others and help when I can.
Perfect. What salary do you expect?
I'm open to your offer. I just want to start and learn.
Excellent, Sarah. We'll contact you soon.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Tom.
You look amazing tonight.
Thank you, Tom. You look amazing too.
I like this restaurant.
Yes, it is beautiful.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
What do you want to eat?
I want pasta. And you?
I think I will have steak.
Do you like juice?
Yes, I do. Let's drink juice.
Good idea. I like being with you.
Me too. I love you, Sarah.